Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I am a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaBudgets and vlogs. I'll link our shop down below if you're interested in checking it out. Also, for the month of November, we do have a freebie, which I will link as well. And I did join the November collaboration follow train again. It's helped quite a bit with getting some movement on my channel, and then being able to connect with other ladies and enjoying their content and being supportive. I will link the list of ladies that are participating in November collaboration down below. Go ahead, check out these ladies and subscribe. Also, run a couple playlists. It's nice to see how much this community supports each other. I took a thumbnail, that's why that was set up the way that it is. We need to count up what we're stuffing today. I have my calculator because there were some adjustments made and all this jazz with my budget, but we're gonna get into it. Happy November. You should have seen my video from yesterday. I think it went up yesterday. I'm pretty sure. If you didn't see it, feel free to go back and check it out. Anyway, let's get into today. We have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 320, 10, 20, 30, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so I am cash stuffing today, $405. I wanted to do something a little bit different in this video, and I'm pretty excited about it. So I hope it becomes a thing, at least for this month. This is a 5-week paycheck month for me, so I have a magic check this month. Let's get into it. First up, rent is getting $240 today. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40. And we paid our rent already, so it's empty and it only has $240. Next up is utilities, which is getting $20. Let's see how much utilities already has. Had 20, so it has $40 now. Internet getting $20 as well. Internet now has 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I wonder if I should take these ones out. No, I better keep them because I'm still working on my savings challenges whenever I get a few extra bucks. So sometimes I have to make change, and I actually made change for myself today. Yay, go me. All right, so my phone bill is getting $5, and we made that payment, so it doesn't have anything in there. Car insurance getting $20 today. And car insurance had 20, now it has 40. Subscriptions getting $5. And it had $5, now it has 10. Memberships were adding $10. Had 20, now it has 30. And my student loans are in forbearance right now because my income is so low, so I'm not stuffing anything for that at this point. Let's move on to our weekly expenses. And I actually thought about giving myself a little bit more money to spend this paycheck, but I figured it would be a lot more fun to do what I have planned instead. So, shout out to me for making a good choice. I hope. All right, mommy's getting $10. Gas getting $20. So, I did mention last week that the gas went down and then, you know, went back up, and, you know, I don't know what it's at right now. I didn't even bother checking because I think it made me so upset that I did not have the funds to fill up when it was really low. So, and I did get some comments that people were commenting the gas prices where they are, you know, where they were dropping too. So, household getting $10. All right, my pets are getting $10, 5, 10. My kiddos are getting $10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then laundry getting $10. See, 5, 10. Perfect. All right, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so 15 bucks. And this $15 is actually going to this month's savings challenge. So usually what I do, every circle or shape or image, whatever, I usually make it $1. But I decided that this month I would take the cash that I have left over. I'm still going to do my other savings challenges, but I wanted to focus on this one. And I'm hoping, I printed it a couple times, because my hope is that this money from this savings challenge that is the freebie for us this month, I will be able to roll and save. If it gets to be too much for me, which I'm hoping it doesn't, because we have a little bit of wiggle room with 5 weeks of pay, right? As long as I don't miss any work, I don't take any time off, and, you know, anything crazy. So I have to stay focused. But I want this money to go into my PTO Christmas envelope. You know, I've been saving for my PTO so I can take time off to be with my kids. I'm very, very close to paying myself for the second week, and I just got to focus on the third week. So whatever I save this month is going into my PTO from this savings challenge specifically. So you guys, make sure you grab the savings challenge, by the way. I'm so nervous. Okay, I have $15. Oh, okay. I don't have my IOU slip, and do I want to look for it? I have scrap paper. I can write it down, and then I'll transfer it to a cute IOU, I guess, if I have one. Let's just do this. Let's just do this. Okay. Gosh, I'm so nervous. 2. Okay, that's not bad. I want big numbers only because I feel like big numbers would get me more savings. But I have $15 right now. 5. And this is why I was saying I printed it a couple times. Because we might be able to roll 4. Oh, wait. We need to put 5. 2, 4, 5. Okay. And then we have 4. Okay. 2, 4. Oh, shoot. This is going quick. This is going so fast. Okay. I don't even want to know how much I have left. I'm not going to look. I'm not going to count it. 5. Okay. Shoot. I have, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. All right. So how do I do this if, okay, 5. I'm going to grab some change. I'm not having an IOU today. We are putting $5 in here. Let me grab it. And I'm just going to take it cuz I have my money set aside for my this is cheating. I have my money set aside for the future cash stuffings savings challenges for this week. I'm just going to grab $1. 1 second. Okay, grab my other $1. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did that. I totally just did that. And I'm okay with it, by the way. So now that made it, I had 15, so $16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, 16 bucks. Okay, so I have $16 right now. And I don't even have an envelope for this. What is that about? Let's see if I can find an envelope. Yes, so today we've gone ahead and stuffed $16 into our monthly savings challenge. I think I'm going to finish this out. However, this is working for me. And then I'll pull out a new one once this one is completed. Hopefully I'll complete it in a couple weeks. You think? Okay, we'll see. Got my bills, my weekly expenses, and my monthly savings challenge done. I'm super stoked about it. You guys, grab the savings challenge like I told you. It's down below. Thank you so much for coming by to see me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, guys. Bye.